Okay, on 10. When you set it up, you've got to be really, really careful. Like we said, it's 6x plus 16 over 16 equals, because I started with this one, I need to start with this one. And then I think I checked most of you, and most of you got 12. Any questions on that one? All right, 11. Let's match up what goes together. I know some of you have already done it. The 168 corresponds to what?
The blank side.
Okay. And so that means 30 is going to correspond to the 84 side.
Yes. And the answer is 60.
So you have 168 over x equals 84 over 30. That could be one way to solve it.
Oh man, I think I did something wrong. No, I didn't.
A little bit 60.
Oh.
And you do get 60 if you solve that one.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about 12 and 13. 12 and 13 look totally different. Okay? What you have to do on 12 and 13 is there's actually two triangles in each of the pictures, and you have to think of each triangle separately. I'm going to draw one triangle one color and another triangle the other color. Okay? One triangle is that blue triangle, and the other one is the big triangle. Okay? So when you're thinking about the sides on these two triangles, the question mark corresponds to what in the big triangle?
120.
The 121. And the 54 corresponds to what in the big triangle? The 99. Does that make sense? So it's kind of weird how they drew it. They just drew it all together. The question mark, the X, corresponds to the 121. And the 54 corresponds to the 99. Now 42 and 77 correspond together as well. But you just need one side. You don't have to have all the sides. So if you didn't want to use the 54 and the 99, you could use 42 and 77. You should still get the same answer. Okay? So if I were setting this one up, I would put x over 121, and I'd probably use 54 and 99.
Might as well.
I'm already done.
So then we multiply
You get 66.
and then divide by 99, and you get 66. Questions about 12? Okay, go ahead and set up 13 real quick. All right, so we have x over 72. That's one way to do it. That's not how you guys said, though. You did x over 32, and then 72 over 32. And you should get 72 when you work that out. And it makes sense, because if these two sides are both 32 and they correspond to these two sides, and that's 72, those got to be the same as well. Okay?